Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Apollo V1 mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 10.4 kilograms and gross weight about 11.5 kilograms. Apollo V1 supports the Etchash and Ethash algorithm, allowing you to mine ALPH cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 3600 mH/s. Its power consumption is 3100 watt, making it an excellent choice with outstanding parameters. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 3645 mH/s, the power consumption is approximately 3071 watt, and the noise level is around 82 decibels. How to set up the miner to make it work? Open the Apollo official website, click Support. Download the zip package of Apollo Tools, unzip it. Open Apollo Tools. Finish the setup to find the currently connected miner. Copy the miner's IP. Open the browser, enter the IP, you can enter the miner. Go to Mining Machine Settings, fill in the mining address, miner name and wallet, save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Based on an ETC price of $30.48 and a mining difficulty of 2.18p on March 22, 2024, the daily earnings of the Apollo V1 3600M miner are approximately $10.69. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: the Apollo V1 3600M miner has a unique gold color appearance and is a high arithmetic power, strong performance, and low power consumption miner, with 372 watt per T arithmetic power, which is a better performance among air-cooled miners. The miner supports ETC and ETHW mining and is suitable for long-term use in large-scale mining. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.